Taking your community engagement to the next level involves strategies that go beyond the ordinary, tapping into the deep potential of your business community for growth and innovation. Let's explore some advanced strategies. Lead community initiatives. Take a proactive role in leading community initiatives, be it hosting a seminar, starting a mentorship program, or launching a community project. This leadership role not only enhances your influence but also contributes significantly to the community's growth and vibrancy. Facilitate knowledge exchange. Encourage and facilitate knowledge exchange within the community. Create platforms where members can share their expertise, learn from others, and collaboratively solve problems. Forge strategic alliances. Form strategic alliances with complementary businesses within the community. These partnerships can open up new markets, share resources, and drive innovation. Promote community cohesion. Foster a sense of unity and shared purpose within the community. This cohesion strengthens the community and amplifies its collective voice and impact. Champion sustainability and social responsibility. Advocate for sustainable and socially responsible business practices within the community. This advocacy not only enhances your community's social and environmental impact but also positions your business as a socially conscious leader. Leverage technology. Utilize technology to enhance community interaction, collaboration, and learning. This could be through online platforms, digital tools, or innovative tech solutions. Taking the lead in driving community growth and innovation requires a commitment to go above and beyond. It requires vision, initiative, and the willingness to invest time and resources for the greater good of the community. As Pooyan Ghamari insightfully says, leadership is not about being in charge. It is about taking care of those in your charge. This spirit of stewardship, of nurturing and leading your business community, can bring unprecedented growth and success, not just for your business, but for the entire community. As we proceed, we'll discuss how to inspire and mobilize your community towards shared goals.